Sri Amma Bhagwan's teaching for the day. Stress is basically in the mind. Today's miracle. This is Banjana Das from Bhubaneswar in India. I'm sharing two miracles related to Navgrah Homa. While doing her BTech, my daughter got selected in a software company through campus interview. Since her result was not published on time, she could not take up the job. She became very depressed and lost interest in the software sector. As per her father's advice, she started preparing for exams related to banking services. Since she was not hardworking enough, her performance was not satisfactory. To top it all, she was even refusing to get married. Worried about her future, her father was getting tensed and kept scolding her. Sometimes my daughter too reacted negatively. This became an everyday affair. My daughter started putting on weight by eating a lot. By now, I became seriously worried about her well-being. I participated in Navgrah Homa and prayed for my daughter to get settled in life. After Homa, I observed positive changes in her attitude. She shed off 16 kg by controlling her eating habits and exercising regularly. She prepared seriously for bank exams, due to which her performance improved. The day I contributed for Sahasranam Homa, she got the job of PO in Axis Bank. She is now well settled in her new job. Words are insufficient to express my gratitude to Sri Paramjyoti. The other miracle is my husband works in a bank. He had borrowed a large sum of money for our children's education and house construction at Bhubaneswar. Since his retirement was approaching, he was getting tense about the loan repayment. Our son works in a software company. He kept telling his father to wait for his foreign posting, after which he could help in clearing the loans. I participated in Navgrah Homa at Satyaloka and prayed for an improvement in her financial condition. After the Homa, my son got a promotion and received a very good increment. Then he got miraculously placed in an on-site project at Canada. He is getting a handsome salary, which has helped my husband clear the loans and construct another house at Bhubaneswar for our daughter. By the grace of Sri Paramjyoti, our financial problems are history. My husband has now become calm. There is a peace in our lives. Thank you very much for answering my prayer, Grahadipati Sri Paramjyoti. With heartfelt gratitude and loads of love, I shall remain ever at your lotus feet. Thank you.